In this video, we're going to analyze Faye Valentine's quote from Cowboy Bebop. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
tatakaiの基本を知ってる？先制攻撃よ。
So today's quote is 戦いの基本を知ってる？先制攻撃よ。を知ってる following a noun means to know something, and the noun is 戦いの基本 meaning the basics of combat. So 戦いの基本を知ってる means you know the basics of combat. 知ってる is the shortened version of 知っている. It consists of te form of the verb 知る meaning to get to know, and いる which describes an ongoing state resulting from the earlier action. So you get to know something, and the state of knowing continues as the result. It's the same logic as 持つ and 持っている。壊れる and 壊れている。Here is an important tip about 知っている。The negative form of 持っている and 壊れている are respectively 持っていない and 壊れていない。But the negative form of 知っている is 知らない。You would never say 知っていない。Here are some examples. ニュースでその事件のことを知った meaning I got to know about the incident by the news. ポケモン GO って知ってる？知らない meaning do you know about Pokemon Go? No, I don't know. 先制攻撃 means a preemptive strike, and the sentence ending particle よ is used when telling new information to someone. There's usually that after a noun, but it can be omitted in order to make it sound feminine, which is often used in anime. So today's quote, 戦いの基本を知ってる？先制攻撃よ means you know the basics of combat? It's a preemptive strike. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.